Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammad Hassan and today I have three scents that we are going to compare, which are very famous scents: Acqua Di Gio series, Acqua Di Gio Essenza, Acqua Di Gio Profumo, Acqua Di Gio Profondo. So I have actually the samples of these three, so let me show you. So these are the bottles I have. So you can see over here, these are the three. I will show the bottles actually over here. So this is Acqua Di Gio Profumo, Profondo and Essenza. So I am going to start with the most famous one, which is Acqua Di Gio Profumo. I think it is one of the most sold out perfume. A lot of people wear it and I am going to spray it now on the strip, and I have actually written Profumo over here just to remember. So let's spray it. Sweet citrus. I would not say it is kind of pure citrus or lemon citrus. It is on the sweeter side. Sweet citrus, and now it is getting rounded. Citrus is very less. It is more aquatic, more sea kind of breeze. Cool effect. It has a very cooling effect. It's like you are on a beach where there are clouds and the wind is blowing and the sea is green, bluish green, some kind of vibe like that. So it is super aquatic, very aquatic. Light citrus is there in the background, very airy, sweet, rounded, a bit more balanced. I think musk might be there in the background. Yes. Musky, aquatic, sweet with some tints of citrus, sweet citrus, and I would not say it is a green citric or it is lemon kind of citrus. It is very sweet citrus. For me, sometimes it is a bit spiky. Spiky means it gets into my head and starts some headaches. So the people who are sensitive to perfumes, make sure you try this before you buy this one. Now it is getting more chemical kind of vibe to me. Giving me some headache. Okay, so I have seen people wearing this and you can instantly recognize that this is, they are wearing Acqua Di Gio Profumo. It has a very specific metallic kind of aquatic vibe, fresh vibe to it. So this is all about Acqua Di Gio Profumo. This is one of my favorite from this series, although I don't apply it because it gives me a headache. So let's start with Essenza now. So I have Essenza and let's spray this one. So it's from 2015. I think it has been discontinued. I'm not sure, but I think it has been. It is a more kind of plastic vibe to me. I'm not sure, maybe it's woody, but it's a bit of kind of green grapefruit that is not very sweet, or I would say it is kind of, yes, it has more grapefruit, greenness in it, more herbal, a bit more kind of dirty kind of vibe, or maybe you can get this kind of vibe from some of the perfumes. They try to imitate oud or woody note that is a bit dirty, rounded, sweet, less airy and less aquatic than Profumo. More, I think it is for more mature men or more manly than Profumo. Profumo might look or feel good on youngsters too. Yeah. So it has a kind of dirty grapefruit, green grapefruit, herbal, a bit aquatic vibe. So this is my take on Acqua Di Gio Essenza. It is a very nice perfume. Uh, so this is the second one. Let's try the last one, Profondo. So this is going to be our Acqua Di Gio Profondo. Let's spray this one now. Profondo. So here we go. It is less citric, more aqua or aquatic, like watery kind of note. I would say it has kind of, I would say that it is an improved version of Profumo. So if you amplify the aqua or aquatic notes or metallic notes of Profumo, you will get Profondo. So I think this is very close to Profumo, but some aspects of the Profumo have been amplified to make this Profondo. More aquatic, more airy, more metallic. It has some of the vibes of Essenza too, the woodiness, the dirty woodiness in the background. Okay, so this is a bit nicer, more balanced, I think, version of both Essenza and Profumo. It is like they have kind of like middle child or middle, I would say middle brother of Profumo and Essenza. So this is actually Profondo. Yes. It has some similarities to Essenza in the terms of the dirtiness I told you about, the woody dirtiness kind of thing, a little bit of kind of, I would say, dirty kind of wet wood. Maybe I'm not sure how I should tell, but it has the same vibe like we get from, I think, one of our very famous perfumes, where we have Illuminati eye on that. So this is Acqua Di Gio Profondo. I think it is a very balanced version of Profumo and Essenza. So this is my take on all these three: Acqua Di Gio Profumo, Acqua Di Gio Profondo and Acqua Di Gio Essenza. Essenza is more herbal for more mature men, and it has more grapefruit green kind of vibe to it, a bit dirty wood in the background, things like that. It has less citrus, more rounded sweet. And Profumo is actually more aquatic, more airy, metallic, kind of a bit of fresh, spiky kind of vibe to it, and sea notes are over there, so it is very breezy, metallic kind of perfume. And Profondo is actually the mix or balance of both of these, Profumo and Essenza, in my opinion. I'm not sure what are your comments. If you have used any of these, do comment in the comment section below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I will try to make more comparison videos in the future. Till then, take care. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. Take care and bye-bye.